and I think I'm at an age now where I'm allowed a midlife crisis car. So it's my second day with the Fiat 126P, and we've got my engineerist roommate Mark, who is finally going to have a look at it and see what's wrong with it and what's right with it.
Yep.
We're going to have a bit of a spin and see what we can fix, because it needs a little bit of love when driven. Let's get this started. First of all, what works in the car is a very simple key lock mechanism. Nope.
Oh.
One at a time. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, it's so tiny. So first of all, a screw in the door opens the door. Good. Welcome to Uber Eats.
I'm a little bit scared.
It's like a tuk-tuk. But so first of all, safety first. Seatbelt, if you can put it on.
Yeah. I have to open the door to get it. There we go.
Right. So first thing is a choke. You gotta pull the choke out. Yep. The brakes are a little bit weird. They're very high up. The one thing that doesn't make sense is the stereo system. It's really in the way. It just doesn't belong. Let's open the windows.
What? Not turn the air conditioning on?
Nope. What
Hang on.
Yeah, the windows are simple. You twist.
Oh,
There you go.
it doesn't have
Push.
a lock. Okay,
Nope.
cool.
So simple.
Right.
The mirrors need to.
Because they self-adjust.
Yep. Depends on the wind.
I have to move my knee to one down the window. Okay, so
Cool. All right, let's try this.
so I know what I need to fix first.
It's pretty good. Started.
Yeah.
It was.
Is it? You seem surprised.
I am. I haven't. This is my first time kind of starting it
Okay.
from cold. I was instructed that was going to happen.
Yep.
So now we put the choke down a little bit lower. Let it rattle off a little bit. Yep, I think it's in gear. Yep, it's in gear.
Right. Cool. And we probably shouldn't run down any children.
Nope.
Wow, that's bright. Hi, Lumi!
Anyone want Uber Eats? It's a joy for everyone, this car. It's a joy for everyone.
I'm not entirely sure where to put my feet because
You've got plenty of room.
there's a wheel in the way.
Is there?
Yeah, that's the wheel.
Oh.
We'll get some shocks for it too.
Yeah, there's no shocks in this. Or any brakes. You know what does work? The sunroof. Yeah, boy.
Because this is the upmarket luxury version.
That's right, the communist luxury version.
Yep.
It's cool, eh?
Once it's rolling, put it in Z.
She'll go 300 hectares on a single tank of kerosene. Put it in H!
It makes so much noise, I'm not sure if you guys can hear us. There's a radio and speakers in the back, but to be honest, it's absolutely useless because
I think
you just
part-
can't hear anything.
I think part of the rattling is the speakers in the stereo.
There's honestly no point in having a stereo in here. Just feel the pure joy of driving this thing and running down random children and Uber Eats drivers and Domino's delivery boys.
So this is how a Ferrari driver feels when they just want to listen to the engine.
You know, I mean,
Oh,
Fiat bought out Ferrari, so technically this is a Ferrari.
Oh, good point.
I mean,
It's the same DNA.
I believe the fact is that Schumacher originally, when he was driving the Ferrari, he was offered a Fiat 126P, just couldn't handle the pure power of it and had to trade it in for a Mercedes. Let's see if the Polaks are around.
Drive by.
Can we get some kielbasa and pierogi, please? We can't hear you. That was good. You don't see my father smiling very often, so that was the first time he smiled in a long time. So he just feels his childhood coming back to life. We used to drive around Poland in this. One day we did a day trip in it. I just don't understand how my dad handled this. This is so tiny and uncomfortable, and it's just got no power.
How old were you guys when you did that?
Oh, young, 7, 8? No, I think the last time we did a huge trip around Poland before we moved to Australia. Dad wanted to show us a few parts of Poland, and he said, well, before we leave, we got to do a few road trips. And yeah, so we did it like we did a few days in this. We would stop in obviously different towns, but yeah, it was.
So, is there anywhere to put luggage?
Yeah, at the front. You take the spare tire out.
You didn't have a big roof rack with
No roof racks. No space in the back.
National Lampoons.
This is honestly raw.
Oh, we're going fast. I don't know how that's possible.
It's very rare that I drive around smiling in a car. I smile a lot on my motorbike. I've never smiled in a car, but I cannot stop smiling. This is honestly pure joy. As he said, Mark, you need to put it on a dyno and find out how many horsepower it doesn't have.
Yeah. I'm not sure it'll even turn the dyno.
Should we go for a Macca's drive-through and get some ice cream cones?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we should.
Yes, so we're gonna pick up a stowaway and go to Macca's. Hello.
The worst day of my life.
Why?
Because this is so dumb.
How is this dumb?
Because it's dumb.
Are you embarrassed?
Yes, I am. Very
Come on,
embarrassed.
get out, get over yourself. Put your seatbelt on.
Ah, my knees, my knees, my knees, my knees, my knees.
Are you excited?
No, I would like some big chips.
Oh, okay. Well, you don't
And a
like the
hash
car, but you don't like the car. This is dumb. So off you go.
Yeah.
Get out.
bye.
See ya. Get out.
Can I go out, Mom?
Nope. Yeah, you're in. You're stuck.
Seen in this?
You don't want to be seen in this.
No.
No, man. I was inside this car for 11 years of my life, and I've never been embarrassed.
It's okay.
I was the coolest kid in town, so not embarrassed.
Why? Because yours was red and not black.
Yellow. It didn't have roosters painted on the bonnet.
Are we tall enough to go to the Macca's store?
I don't know. Yeah, that's a good question.
The girl will be looking at them.
I'm fine here. Nobody lives here.
Oh, well, then get over yourself.
You think this is the most embarrassing thing we're going to do? Do you wait for your 21st?
You're getting driven in this to your formal.
I think.
Oh, yeah.
Help! Help! Jaja!
We're going to McDonald's. You want to come?
Help!
Even the dogs loved it.
Yeah, everyone loves this car.
Everybody.
You want to race? We race for pink slips. Okay. You think you've got a small car? This is a small car. Yeah.
It's so cute.
Better than yours. You want to swap? You got a manual license? No deal. Thank you. Everyone's pointing at the car. Like the car? So while we sit here and eat our disgusting Western food, let's talk about this Central European masterpiece. What's your opinion, Mark?
It's hilarious. It seems to drive all right for a car of its caliber.
As someone that races a lot of cars and builds a lot of race cars, has it got potential?
No, none.
What about you? What's your opinion on this?
I only like the sunroof. I never want to be seeing that.
One thing I just noticed. It's got the same size engine as my motorbike.
I'm honestly, I'm so disappointed in that one, because 3 years ago it was everything's awesome, everything's cool, everything is great, what we do, all these road trips, adventures, everything like that, everything's awesome. Now it's just, this sucks, this is crap. Is this what being a teenager is like? I think I now understand why my parents feel the way I feel about me. I personally absolutely love this. This is fantastic. This is my midlife crisis come true.
I love it. It's so cool.
It is cool.
It's cool in like clown shoes kind of cool.
Yeah. let's see how many people we can put into the car. You know, going through the drive-thru, everyone's looking. All the people going like, "This is cool. This is a cool car." Driving along, everyone's staring at you. This is awesome. It could be because it's got two giant roosters at the front of the bonnet.
And is that what they are?
Yeah. Look at it.
Oh, okay. Haven't got up this close.
Yeah. So stay with us. These adventures are going to get better. She's going to start loving the car. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget you can sponsor our channel by buying us a coffee.
See, I prefer that.
You're special. You're very, very special. How are you going to get in?
I know how cars work.
Okay. Okay, you know how cars work, but you're stepping on my seat.
She'll go 300 hectares on a single tank of kerosene.
What country is this car from?
It no longer exists, but take her for a test drive, and you'll agree. Zagreb Ebnem Zloty Gdiev. Put it in H!